PNI VX6500 microphone has an RJ45 connector and is compatible with the PNI HP 6500 and PNI HP 7120 CB radio stations. The Vox function allows the CB user to broadcast automatically without pressing the PTT push-to-talk key. The broadcast is activated when the sound voice exceeds a certain level. To avoid accidental transmission, the PNI VX6500 microphone has two functions for adjusting the Vox function. Vox sensitivity adjustment function. 4 levels of sensitivity are available. We recommend setting the microphone to sensitivity level 1, least sensitive, to avoid involuntary activation of the background sound or side talk. Emission delay adjustment function. Vox delay. This function sets the time between when you started talking and when the broadcast was activated. 4 levels are available. The shortest time is on level 1.